Welcome back to Forestry Pulse. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible world of forest machines and the logging industry. Watch this fully loaded old Chevette driving through the field. At first glance, it may look like just an ordinary vehicle, but this yellow Chevette is packed with power and determination. Now take a look at this John Deere harvester in full action. Watch carefully at how quickly it works, cutting down tree after tree in just seconds. Within a single minute, this machine is capable of processing multiple trees, something that would take hours or even days if done by hand. Its speed and accuracy are simply incredible to witness. This harvester represents the true power of modern forestry equipment. Designed to maximize efficiency, it grips each tree, slices it with precision, and lays it down safely on the ground. Next, watch this portable crane with tank-style wheels moving into the field. At first, it looks like a heavy-duty vehicle with unusual mobility. Once it reaches the worksite, the operator quickly jacks it up, stabilizes it with solid supports, and raises the crane. This crane is designed not to lift logs but to lift people into high, hard-to-reach areas of the tree. Here, the operator uses the crane to reach a broken treetop. He carries with him a hand chainsaw and carefully cuts down the damaged section. It's a mix of modern machinery and traditional manual work. Here we see a fully loaded truck making its way to the warehouse. A massive pile of logs stacked on its trailer shows just how heavy the load is. As the truck moves forward, it sometimes staggers, struggling to climb slopes while carrying the extra weight. This is where the true power of a logging truck is tested. Every movement of this truck demonstrates the strain it goes through. Each slope it climbs and every corner it takes pushes the vehicle to its limits. Notice the dust rising behind it as it passes over the dry ground. The scene gives us a sense of the tough conditions these machines face on a daily basis. Now watch this red truck stuck on the road with its heavy load of logs. At first, it struggles on its own, trying to break free, but the weight is simply too much. The ground holds it tightly, and it cannot move forward no matter how much the driver tries. Next, we see a skidder attempting to move a massive log. At first, it looks like a straightforward job, but the reality is much harder. The ground is filled with small trees and bushes, creating resistance and making it difficult for the skidder to pull the log smoothly. Yet, this is exactly what skidders are built for, dealing with the tough, messy, and unpredictable conditions of the forest. The driver skillfully maneuvers the machine, turning carefully and applying steady force to avoid breaking the cable or damaging the equipment. We watch an old truck stuck deep in the mud, carrying a heavy load of logs. The tires spin but gain no traction, sinking deeper with every attempt. A Caterpillar machine soon arrives to help. It positions itself firmly, attaches the cable, and begins pulling with raw power. Watch this fully loaded log truck making its way up a steep mountain road. The load is heavy, the road is narrow, and the climb is one of the most dangerous routes you can imagine. The sheer weight of the logs places an enormous strain on the truck. Each rotation of the tires battles against gravity, and every meter climbed is a test of both the vehicle and its operator. The driver must rely on the power of his truck, while the truck relies on the steady hands and sharp mind of its driver. Together, they overcome challenges that look impossible to an untrained eye. Here we see the careful process of loading a Komatsu harvester. These machines are powerful and heavy, which makes the loading process extremely delicate. One wrong move could cause serious damage or even risk the safety of the operators. That's why every step must be performed with precision. Every detail matters here. The center of gravity, the speed of movement, and the exact alignment all determine whether the loading is successful. This is not just about power, it's about control and patience. Next, watch how a massive John Deere skidder is loaded onto a truck. This is no ordinary skidder, it's a giant, and moving it requires careful planning. The truck must be strong enough to handle the weight, and the ramps must be secure to avoid accidents. The skidder slowly climbs forward, its giant tires gripping the ramp as the driver maintains perfect control. Every second is critical as the balance shifts and the truck takes on the enormous weight. Even the ground beneath feels the pressure of this operation. Here we see a skidder carrying a load of logs while navigating a sharp bend. For most drivers, this would be a terrifying moment, but for this operator, it's just part of the job. The skidder moves carefully but confidently, balancing its heavy load with remarkable precision. Next, watch this older machine working to load logs onto a truck. At first glance, their age is clear: paint faded, metal worn. But when the engines start and the arms begin to move, they show that old machines can still perform smoothly. It's a reminder that experience often outweighs appearances. While modern machines may offer more power and technology, these older models still get the job done. Their design is proven, and their durability shows through every movement. Now we see the unloading of a cat machine from a truck. The process looks simple at first, but as the machine moves down, the front wheels of the truck lift into the air from the shifting weight. It's a tense moment that requires full concentration from the operator. Watch this scene from a rainy day when a loaded truck slips off the road and tips into the side. The mud and water make the ground extremely unstable, and the heavy load pushes the truck deeper off the path. It's one of the unfortunate accidents that can happen in transport. Quickly, a cat machine and another truck arrive to help. The rescue process takes hours, with cables secured and machines pulling from different angles. The operators work together with patience, carefully balancing strength with safety. What an amazing journey through the logging world. From powerful harvesters and skidders to massive trucks hauling loads through mud, slopes, and rain, every scene showed us just how demanding this industry really is. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Forestry Pulse for more incredible logging and forestry machine action from around the world. Your support helps us bring you even more powerful and fascinating content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe, stay strong, and keep the machines rolling.